Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've probably done a video almost like this, but this is more in a something that you could actually use. Let's say you have this clip art of this happy face sun, and you're going to do a whole sheet of them, and you just did a test, and the one part of the face was too dark. So these are ungrouped together. So instead of going and changing each one of them individually, we can do our find and replace. Find object, new search, next. This time we want to find a field. We want to find a uniform field. Next, specify the uniform color. Then when you click on this, you're going to get the eyedropper tool. Go on that happy face part that you want and just click on it. And then go next, finished, find all. Now, very easily, you can make the happy face any color you want. You can make it red, but I do most of my laser, my videos for laser engraving. You could make it white, and let's just see what if it is actually a white there, put in the back, and see now you can see it's white. And the eyes are hollow or transparent because they're gone. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.